I'm very happy about the performance, about the team. And so I think the right team and they got the champion in South China. So I think that we show for everyone is now the best team in Hong Kong.
咁就表現相當活躍兼且親歷球隊大起大落嘅陳志安，就以意想不到嚟形容3冠佳績。
又好低，即係上翻而家好高嘅，即係可以話我哋舊年降班，咁今年突然間攞翻3個冠軍，即係我冇諗過係可以喺咁短時間可以咁好嘅成績咯。主要係我哋嗰個信心啦，即係其實喺2-0俾人追和2-1嗰陣時，大家係嗰段時間係個形勢係幾差啦。咁好在就係話我哋嗰個信心同埋嗰個意志，我哋冇驚咗落嚟或者停咗落嚟咯，即係接住我哋嗰個士氣同埋鬥志去再入第3球，呢個係轉捩點。
顯然擺脱唔到二拉米嘅魚丸，教練羅繼華讚揚球員鬥志可嘉。
即係有一樣嘢我就好高興嘅啫，我開心班球員即係2-0之後，即係冇放棄呢個精神，即係喺呢場波，我覺得即係喺呢方面做得好，我好開心呢樣嘢。
不過雞亦都話，由於陣中有個別球員年紀較大，要喺下季捲土重來，首先要解決個別位置調動上邊嘅困難，補充人腳時在必行。而南華普敦足總杯呢，今季所有本地甲組嘅賽事已完成啦。睇翻今季過去嘅所有大新聞呢，10居前9都關南華事啦。而家就大家喺度重溫一下南華點樣踏上呢個3冠之路啊！南華3冠嘅第一關就係銀牌決賽對向住晨曦。之後喺聯賽就預計住上週至嘅一將由極有可能成為第1位以國民身份取得香港足球先生嘅李海鵬嘅呢一腳，為球隊喺傑志身上取得聯賽主動權，最終更加歷史性咁喺東莞靠迪天奴連中3元擊敗聯華紅牛，第28度登上聯賽冠軍嘅比賽。仲有足總杯憑迪天奴陳志康同鄭兆偉入球以3-1力挫愉園，風頭一時無兩。
I think when I came, nobody believed. You know, if you ask also the fans, maybe over 90% don't believe you saw China. Last year in the bottom, at the Show Cup, League, now FA Cup. I think every player they try very hard, they try their best. So the team came very strong.
至於餘下嘅聯賽杯就由傑志奪得，佢哋喺決賽同樣擊敗愉園贏波。由於南華係3位冠軍，所以聯賽冠亞軍嘅南華同傑志將會代表香港參加新一屆嘅亞洲足協杯。世界盃專輯記者葉家峰報導。